been able to come, take a break from her revision, got exams starting on Friday, but has kindly come to say a little bit about her experience. So I'm just going to ask a few questions, and then at the end you'll get an opportunity to ask some questions as well if you want to. But Alex, tell us what you're doing at the moment. So you're studying, so tell us where and what.
So I study international business management at Cardiff University. I'm in final year, so these are like my last exams coming now. And yeah.
So why did you want to get involved with the half marathon?
So currently I study a business degree, but I think throughout my degree I've kind of realised a little bit more that the direction I want to go with after my degree is more events and kind of organising and coordinating events and kind of like seeing through the whole process of start to finish. And I'd kind of got some experience before in terms of like festivals and kind of volunteering for the ticket kind of thing. But with this I got into contact with Mia, and she was really helpful because it allowed me to kind of see the other side of things, like the organisation of it. So as you mentioned, the volunteer hub, I was one of the volunteers, looking after volunteers, kind of making sure that like that kind of volunteer workforce was alright, they were kind of still engaged, that there weren't any massive issues, and kind of getting their feedback through like the surveys we did.
And so what was your typical time, your day like? How did you spend your time during the day?
Part of the before event briefings we went to, we were handing out, kind of interacting with all the different runners, which was really nice. We were handing out all the kind of freebies. And then on the actual day we were based in the hub, which was a bit over City Hall. So we were doing things like accreditation, kind of signing all the different volunteers, telling them where they were going to be, kind of making sure they had their points of contact. And then later on in the day I was actually doing social media for All Spirit Wales on Facebook, and then I was doing the extra mile stuff on Twitter, so this is one of the photos I took. So that was kind of just making sure that there was like awareness kind of on social media, and then something like I noticed personally was that afterwards the actual volunteers were the ones that were sharing kind of their experiences online, like on the Twitter through the hashtag extra milers. We were kind of like retweeting stuff about their experience, like thank you so much, because I checked with them afterwards. But yeah, that was one thing I kind of noticed, that they were using that a lot more.
What would you say you got out of the experience?
I think it reaffirmed with what I want to do that I do want to go into events management. I really enjoyed it, and it kind of, through speaking to Naomi, who was on the video quite a lot, and Mia as well, kind of getting to understand people's motivations for doing it and why they want to do that, and kind of the different aspects of the degree. Like I found it really interesting personally that Naomi actually didn't have a degree in events management. She got a completely different degree, but she went into it and she was kind of so involved with it and she enjoyed it so much, and I think that reaffirmed it for me that that is what I want to do, and kind of the reasons behind it.
So would you be up for volunteering again?
Yeah, absolutely, yeah. I really enjoyed it.
Plans?
Well, I wanted to do the Bellathon, but it's right in the middle of my exams, so I can't. But I think this summer I'm going to maybe try and do some more